Municipal Parking Garage in Huntington, West Virginia. What I find very interesting, these are the power cables for the traffic lights. They're just hanging.
We have a pretty bad storm coming in, but we have an Otis elevator.
Oh, nice. Get ready to see how cool this one is. It's glass. This is my first glass Lexus.
Look at the Otis logo.
Oh, that's cool. I just wish these lights weren't so bright in here.
Yeah, you'll be able to see out better.
Just like look at this Otis logo. That's really cool. I've never seen that before. See how things are going out here. Oh wow. I can see Ohio. Look at that.
Listen to that rain.
Yeah.
Hey, it parks.
Literally it parks immediately though. That sucks. Ooh, now that feels good. I just want you to look how much is it? Here again.
On its way.
Ooh, that rain is cold. No wonder the temperature drops so quickly.
This is quite the storm tonight.
Yeah. It's the wrath of Dan Allen. Going back up to
Yeah, let's go back to 2.
It just got so cold so quickly.
I like it. It's been hot all day.
It's really cool. Like you know the city's gonna be cool. When the first
Is that- Yeah. Woo, it feels good out here
Oh
now.
my gosh, like that dropped 20 degrees since the beginning of the video.
And we still have one more to ride on the other side.
There it goes, and are we keep filming?
Yep, there's the other elevator. Let's go. And here we have the second elevator. And it looks like it's going to be very similar to the first one.
But the rain's not calming down now.
Machine room's right there.
Well, that's really secure. Just the same. Ooh.
This one is
What a
like,
slammer.
This one's in a lot worse shape.
Mm-hmm.
3rd Avenue Municipal Garage.
Ooh. The other 8th Street Northwest tomorrow. Don't let it go nowhere.
Now we're gonna keep it open here.
Oh yeah, this rain is like ice cold.
This is just a lot more crusty.
Yeah, it is. You don't want to touch it. And there's all the information about it.
Yep.
Second topic win of the day?
Possibly.
I don't know I've shown this.
Alright. Rain's calmed down a bit more.
Thank the Lord. There it goes. Slam.